Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Traveling with Jay. This is me, Jenny. So today in this video, I am going to cover 15 important steps to impress your interviewer. So without wasting time, let's get started. New to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to Travelin' with Jay and also hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my new videos. So today in this video, I am going to cover even smallest basic things that we often forget before going for an interview. So let's start. So the first is be prepared. Make sure you know everything about the interview, that is where the interview is scheduled, what is the timing of the interview, who is going to take the interview. So the name of the interviewer also you should know. And also one more tip I would like to give in this is that make sure you pronounce the name correctly. Saying this because we have to make sure that we do not make any mistake in any step of your process of interview. Know the style of the interview. It is always very important to understand what kind of interview you're going for. Like for example, is it a one-on-one interview or is it a panel interview? Or sometimes you also have group interviews. So what kind of interview it is? It will always help you to prepare for the interview better. Also one more thing, sometimes you also have some test kind of interviews like aptitude test, typing test to judge your typing skills, then grammar or English test or maths test. So make sure you know everything about the style of the interview so that you are able to prepare for it prior to the interview. Arriving early doesn't mean that you go to the interview location and sit before 1 hour, okay? So arriving early, I mean to say like you should reach the location of the interview 10 to 15 minutes before the interview. Arriving early will always help you to relax yourself, feel comfortable, and also if you want to revise anything for the interview, you will be able to do it before going inside the cabin. So always make sure that you are not late. You should be 10 to 15 minutes before the time. Always choose subtle colors of formals, for example navy blue, black, white or grey, and also do not wear too much of jewelry and avoid strong perfumes. And all the ladies out there, you can also team up your formal shirts with skirts or trousers, or you can also go with Indian wear kurtis or something like that. Make sure whatever you wear, you feel comfortable and confident in that. This one is the first impression that you will be having on the interviewer. So make sure you greet or shake hands with the interviewer, like saying good morning, good afternoon or good evening. As it is Corona time, you cannot go ahead and shake hands with the person, but you can make sure that you greet him well. Nowadays, due to the pandemic, interviews are happening on the virtual platform, like on the mobile phones or through video call or something. So make sure you greet the person well and also give a thank you at the end. Make an eye contact with the interviewer so that they give a smile back at you. Make sure you keep smiling throughout the interview. Smiling doesn't mean that you keep laughing or giggling throughout the interview. Watch your body language. Do not fidget with your fingers or keep biting your nails or something. Some people have had the habits of doing this or this. Make sure you avoid these things on an interview. Don't do these things in front of the interviewer. And also, while sitting, do not shake your legs or something. You can do one thing, you can keep your hands folded on your lap and answer the questions. Let the interviewer know that you will be making notes of the points that they discuss. This will help you to remember important points of the discussion, and if someone asks you what role they have discussed, you are able to answer them as well. And this will also keep your hands busy. And a small tip I would like to give here is use a good pen. Do not use a cheap one, as everything what we are discussing here is to impress the interviewer. Nowadays you can find anything on the internet, so make sure that you review on internet about the organization. Ask other people what they know about the organization. Interview is not only you answering the interviewer, it is also that whenever you get a chance, you ask important question to the interviewer. So this will happen only if you have some information about the organization. So make sure you do your homework. Be confident when talking about each section of your resume and always focus on the achievements. Make sure you know each thing that is mentioned in your resume, as the interviewer should understand that whatever you are saying is 110% correct. So here there is a tip I would like to add is always carry spare copies of your resume, as at each level sometimes they'll keep the copy of your resume. So always keep handful copies of your resume. Whenever asked, you have it. You should always make sure that your resume is on a white color paper. You should not use any colored papers like light pink, light green, or any kind of papers. It should be white A4 size paper. And also one more tip I would like to give here is always make your resume of minimum 2 page. Even if you are a fresher, I would suggest you to make a resume of 2 page minimum. Because I had also gone for an interview earlier and they told me to create a new resume of minimum 2 pages and then come for the interview. So why I'm saying to avoid plastic folders is when you open the folder to remove anything or you fidget with the folder, it creates a sound and the interview hall will be silent and the ambience will be very calm. So this the people around you will keep looking at you. So you will also feel uncomfortable and this will be little bit annoying for everyone. So make sure you carry a bag which doesn't make noise. If you have not watched my previous video on interview series, I will pin a link of the video in the description box or somewhere on the I button. So you can also check out that video. In that you will get the answer on how to introduce yourself. You can use positive phrases like when I joined the company, when I began working with you, to make it look as if you have already been offered the job. This is not just them checking you out. You should also have some smart questions for the interviewer, as this will help you to get the feel of the company and also determine if you really want to work for that company. In this, you can also ask questions to the interviewer at the end. Questions like when I'll get to know if I have been selected, or do you have any feedback or suggestions for me? Sometimes this creates a good impression on the interviewer. As I always say, first impression is the last impression. Be cool, calm and collected. You can always count on a successful interview when you are well prepared, confident and you have acted appropriately. So good luck everyone. This was all for today. Thank you for watching Travelin' with Jay. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please like, share and subscribe.